Hey guys, this is the video of all the parts for the actual build, a few extras as well, a few games. I'll run you through it all, just as well. First we've got the Antic 1200. I've done an unboxing, but I'm not actually going to use that video because it's a big waste of time. I did it really bad, so I'm just going to do an overview video. And then we get into the main things. So we've got a Logitech G510. I've got a LG 20-inch Flatron monitor, which is the W2361V 2 millisecond response gaming monitor. Just trying to stand this up so it doesn't fall over. Okay. We've got a Sharkoon neon kit pack, four in there, 4 12-inch cathodes. We have 100 CDs, but you don't really need to see them, do you? You know what CDs are like. We have a Razer Carcharius, I believe it is, gaming headset. Corsair HX 850 watt power supply, modular. I'm hoping there's not going to be much glare on these videos, trying out some new lighting. Hopefully you'll be able to see it okay. Okay, that's that box. Then onto this box here. World of Warcraft battle chest. All of these videos, everything you see here I'll be doing an unboxing video for as well. Rock Cat gaming mouse mat. There. Obviously I won't do an unboxing of that because that is the unboxing, just out of the tube. So there's that. We have a Belkin surge protector. Probably won't do a unboxing of that because there's no need really. We have a Samsung Super White Master Light Scribe drive. The model is SHS223L, just if you want to know. Now we get onto the main stuff. I have a Asus Sabertooth X58 motherboard. One of the new ones. We have a MSI GTX 460 Talon Attack Hawk. Everything here will have unboxings, like I said. That's that for that box. And we've got a little box of little things. We've got a PSU tester there. Just one. It's just a good way to turn on your power supply if you want to test your fans and things. Also another good little thing you can use. We'll get to those in a minute. I've got a 16 gig flash Voyager GT, and then there's a free copy of Hawks 2 in there, but it's just on a piece of paper and I won't show you that because of the code on there. Big bag of stuff. Just come around here so I can show you this better. We have a eSATA. Let me just turn this light off just briefly. Try to turn it off without cooking my hand. Try to find it. There it is. There we go. So eSATA cable. Get out! Oi! Come on, go away. Go away from the box. You can get in it later. Right, eSATA cable. That's a 90cm SATA 3 as well. This was a free cable that I got, but it's red and horrible. Won't be using that. Arctic Silver 5 thermal compound. We've got some 3-pin fan extensions. A Scan own brand HDMI cable, 1.5 meters. And this is the good cables now. NZXT sleeved 8-pin extension, individually sleeved cables in here, and also a 24-pin extension, individually sleeved. Hope you can see that there. Every individual one sleeved. Nice, cheap solution if you don't feel like doing it yourself, and I really don't have the time to. So that's that. That's all the things out of that little box there. And we get onto this little box here, which is lots of goodies in here, especially this one here. i7 950. In there, I got the retail version, just because it's got a 3-year warranty, and it was actually cheaper than the OEM version. So as far as the batch, everything goes. 3025A725 batch number. That. Have in here is a Western Digital 1TB black edition, which is the new 6 gigabit per second version as well. We also have a Logitech G500 gaming mouse, as well as the Noctua NHU12P CPU cooler. So, Special Edition 2, 2 NFP12 fans with that. Supports AMD 2, AMD 3, Intel 775, 1156 and 1366. Core 597 ready. Okay, and as far as components go, that is everything. I tell a lie, no it's not. We've also got a few things that I ordered that didn't come from that company. We've got a gigabit Ethernet cable, a Sunbeam Rio Bus fan controller. I'm going to try and do it so you can see it. Okay. Also got a mini bay bus from Molex, 4-1. What else do we have? Lots of zip ties and things. These are especially useful. Big shout out to TJ Harley for this. These are anchors. Basically they're self-adhesive backing, stick onto the case wherever you like, and then you anchor down with a tie wrap whatever you want to tie down. So go through and then tidy up the back of your case. There's a load of cables here, Molex 2-in-1, little memory card reader, all sorts of things in there. Now we get onto games. I ordered a load of games as well for this. We have GTA 4 Complete Edition, the Fallout 3 New Vegas Guide, Collector's Edition Guide. Just put the light back on. Oh, it's blinding. It really is. A few games that came today I haven't opened yet. Batman Arkham Asylum, Battlefield Bad Company 2, Far Cry 2, just for the map editor. There's some really good maps for that. And what else do we have? There's a ton of games. GTA Vice City, my favourite GTA game ever. Hope they do another one that Steam's like it. We have Crisis, just to bench test my rig out. Raven Squad, bad reviews on it, but it was 84p, so same with Spider-Man 3. We have Fallout 3 Game of the Year Edition, Fallout New Vegas, and then there's a few games in another pack here. We have San Andreas, second favourite GTA game, sorry. Just Cause 2, because it looks fabulous. Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 Deluxe Edition. This is for the expansion packs, because I've actually got the third one, but it's like £6. And I'm Road Tournament 3. Also got a 3-pack of Grid, Fuel and Colin Quaid Dirt as well on the way. But that's out of stock, so they're waiting for that to come in. So that is everything, I believe. So yeah, all the stuff there. Lots of videos on the way with unboxings of each thing. And I'll just give you a little pan around. There's all the cables on the side there. Cables, games, all sorts of stuff. Antec 1200, box there, box there. There's the screen. Here's the light I'm using. It's just a builder's, like a decorating light. So yeah, that's everything. So thanks for watching, guys, and prepared for lots of videos on the way. And I'll speak to you all soon. I think I've got everything into video. I believe so. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for some more videos. Cheers, bye.